Hey guys, today we're going to be trying out a few products from Glamlite. So I can't remember, I don't know what the name of this collection was. Let me have a quick look. Okay, so it looks like it was the Happy Hour collection. So this collection came with, it had 4 palettes, and what else did it have? It had 4 palettes, 2 highlighters, and the lip set. So I have one of the palettes, I have both of the highlighters, and I have the lip set here. So we have the chocolate martini palette. We've got both of the highlighters, the pina colada and the mimosa highlighter, and then we have the little Happy Hour lip set. So we're just going to get into it. So yeah, we have the chocolate martini palette. I honestly really want to get the other palettes in this collection too. Like, I think they're really pretty. They have the chocolate martini, the dirty martini, the wine palette, and the margarita palette. And they're all super cool looking. And like, can we just talk about this packaging for a second? Like, how it comes in this bottle. Like, don't you think that is like the coolest thing ever? So yeah, I'll display that in my studio somewhere. Yeah, this is how the actual palette looks. And then on the back it has the nutrition facts, which I just think is so cool. And then this is how the palette looks here. It's really pretty. It's quite on the neutral side. So yeah, let's get into it. First thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes with my P. Louise base. So I'm pre-filming a lot. Well, trying to pre-film a lot at the moment. I have less than a month until I go to the Gold Coast. I haven't even told you guys about going to the Gold Coast yet. Probably talk more about it in another video. But yeah, I'm pre-filming for when I leave. Yeah, when I'm filming this video, it's actually Boxing Day, but I don't know when the video will come out. Basically, I want to have videos up for the whole time that I'm away. So that's what I'm trying to do at the moment. Alright, I think the first shade I'm going to take is this one here, and it's called Irish Cream. And I'm going to run that just all over the lid. I've really been getting into Glamlite lately. Before my last like haul, I only had the paint palette from them, I'm pretty sure. But I just love their packaging and I just think their concepts are so cool. So yeah, I've ordered so many products from them, which I'm very excited about. So you should see lots of Glamlite videos coming up soon. But yeah, you guys will have to let me know like what kind of videos you want to see and like what products and stuff you want to see me review and try out and all that kind of stuff. Now I'm going to go into the shade called All Night. It's like a kind of bit more purpley pinky, and I'm going to put that all over the lid as well, but like just down a little bit. I'm not going to take it right up to the brow. Is it just me or are these shadows a little bit patchy? I can't tell. I feel like it looks just a little bit patchy over this side, but we'll see when I blend them together. That fixes it. This purple shade is really pretty though. Alright, I'm just going to quickly get a different brush and just blend. Yeah, I feel like it's partly my fault though, because it's literally just near the eyebrow, and my brows are really bad at the moment. Like, they need to be waxed extremely urgently. So I think it's just like where the hairs are, because it's literally just in that like one spot where all the brow hairs are, and like they're not looking patchy anywhere else. So I'm going to give it the benefit of the doubt. The next shade I'm going to take is called Girls Night Out. It's just like a little bit of a deeper shade. I'm going to run that one like through the crease just to deepen this up. Okay, and once again I'm just going to take a different brush and just blend it out. Whoopsies. I have swatches on my arm and I just dipped that in purple lipstick. Okay, but yeah, I feel like on the actual lid it's looking really nice. As I said, it's just that one spot there, but I don't notice any other patchiness, so I'm quite happy. I feel like they look really sweet. Really cute. Okay, I'm going to take a bit of a smaller brush now. And I'm going to go into the darker shade of the palette. It's this one here, and it's called Dark Chocolate. And just put that on the outer corner and blend it out in a minute. I don't think I'm going to do eyeliner today. I don't remember the last time that I haven't used eyeliner. I'm going to take a break from eyeliner today. I feel like this look looks really pretty. Like it's very like smoky and sexy, I feel like. Like kind of like dark vampy vibes. Okay, I'm just going to give everything like one big blend. And then I really want to take this vanilla vodka shade and put that on the lid. That looks so pretty. Wow. It's like a duochrome. Because it's so gold on the lid, but in the pan it was super like white. It's a very cool shade though. But yeah, look at like the difference. It's very cool. Kind of wish it was showing up a little bit more white on the lid. I reckon if I actually cut the crease it would have more of that white base. These shimmers are really nice though, like, or at least this one is, like, they're very full on and very pigmented, which is really nice. That's what I love to see in a shimmer. So now I'll just blend the outer corner into that shimmer. Okay, I feel like that looks quite cute. I'm quite happy with that. So I'm going to go off camera now, do lashes and my base products and everything. And then I'll come back and we'll try out the highlighter and the lip set. I feel like I just need to bring this shimmer over just a little bit on this side. I'll go off camera and do all that and then I will be back. Okay, so I've finished my base makeup now, and now we're going to get into the highlighters. So we have Mimosa and Pina Colada. I'm going to swatch them both and see which one I want to use today. The packaging on them is so cute. So this one here is Mimosa, and this one's quite like gold. And the other one is Pina Colada. That's the packaging there. And that's how that one looks. So this one's a more like champagne-y. So that's how they look side by side. Top one is Mimosa and the bottom one is Pina Colada. I think today I'm actually going to take Mimosa because I accidentally bronzed a lot. So I feel like a more golden one will suit today. Wow, it is really, really pretty. Just highlight that. And then I'm actually going to take Pina Colada and I'm going to put that on my inner corner of my eyes just to add a bit more of a pop. Oh, is my lash not stuck down? No, it's not. I'm going to have to fix that. Let me just quickly fix this lash. Okay, so this is the Happy Hour lip set. And I think this packaging once again is just so cool. They come in little alcohol bottles and there's 3 glosses and there is 2 liquid lipsticks. So I'm going to swatch them all for you. Okay, so the first one up the top that's like clear, that one is called Vodka. And we have another gloss. This one is in the shade Irish Cream. There. Then we have our first liquid lipstick, which I don't know how to pronounce this. It's Pinot Noir. I know I'm saying that wrong. I've seen like the alcohol before, but I don't know how to pronounce it. So that's like the purple one there. Then we have another lip gloss in Whiskey, which is there. It's really, really pigmented. It's a really pretty colour. And then we also have Rum, which is the last liquid lipstick, which is like the brown. So I'm going to go off camera, I'm going to do my hair and put one of these lipsticks and lip glosses on and I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. Okay, so I went in with the Rum liquid lipstick and just put the Vodka lip gloss over the top. So this is the finished look. This is how the eyes look. I think they came out quite cute. I do wish that that vanilla vodka shade showed up a bit more of that like white, because I feel like that would have made the look a lot prettier. But anyway, I'm really happy. I think the palette is really good quality. I really like the highlighters and the lipsticks, and I just love the presentation of everything and the packaging. I feel like Glamlite just really put a lot of effort into their makeup, and you can really tell that. And I don't think they're too ridiculously expensive. Like, I don't think it's too bad. I'll see if I can find Australian pricing. I've ordered a few things off the actual Glamlite website, but then I also get a lot of my Glamlite stuff from Glamradar, which is an Australian brand. So the chocolate martini palette was $59. The happy hour lip set was $54, and the highlighters are $25 each. I don't think like that's too bad. Like, it's still not super cheap, but it's not super high-end pricing either. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!